Alright, so in this video, I'm going to be solving a tricky system of equations. So for my first equation in my system of equations, I have x to the power of 3 plus y to the power of 3 is equal to 152. And for my second equation, I have x minus y is equal to 2. So I want to find the values of both x and y. So now for my solution, I'm going to first start with an algebraic property. So if I have something in the form a to the power of 3 plus b to the power of 3, this is equal to a plus b times a squared minus ab plus b squared. So in this case, I have x to the power of 3 plus y to the power of 3 is equal to 152. And I can rewrite this as x plus y times x squared minus xy plus y squared is equal to 152. Now, x squared minus xy plus y squared here. Well, if I have something in the form a squared minus ab plus b squared, this is equal to a minus b squared plus ab. So this turns into x plus y times x minus y squared plus xy is equal to 152. Now, going back over here to my second equation, we have that x minus y is equal to 2. And notice how we have x minus y squared over here. So I can just plug in 2 for x minus y, and now I get x plus y times 2 squared plus xy is equal to 152. And this turns into x plus y times 4 plus xy is equal to 152. Now, I can rewrite this as 4 times x plus y plus xy times x plus y is equal to 152. And if you factor out x plus y here, it turns into this. So these two are the same thing. Now, a general identity that not many people may know about is that if I have something in the form a plus b squared minus a minus b squared, this is equal to 4 times ab. So meaning x plus y squared minus x minus y squared is equal to 4 times xy. So I get x plus y squared minus 2 squared, because x minus y is 2, is equal to 4 times x times y, meaning x plus y squared minus 4 is equal to 4 times x times y. So going back, we have 4 times x plus y plus xy times x plus y is equal to 152. So I'm going to put this over here. I'm going to write this over here. 4 times x plus y plus xy times x plus y is equal to 152. So I'm going to solve these two. I'm going to label this equation 3 and equation 4. I'm going to solve these two simultaneously. So I'm going to first start with x plus y squared minus 4 is equal to 4 times x times y. And I'm going to divide both sides by 4. So I get x plus y squared minus 4 over 4 is equal to x times y. And now going back to my second equation over here, we have our value of x times y over here, so I can just plug this in. So now I get 4 times x plus y plus x plus y squared minus 4 over 4 times x plus y is equal to 152. And this turns to 16 times x plus y plus x plus y squared minus 4 times x plus y is equal to 152 times 4. Meaning 16 times x plus y plus x plus y to the power of 3, because these two multiply, minus 4 times x plus y is equal to 608. So x plus y to the power of 3 plus 12 times x plus y minus 608 is equal to 0. Now, I'm going to rewrite negative 608 as negative 512 minus 96. So now I get x plus y to the power of 3 minus 512 plus 12 times x plus y minus 96 is equal to 0 if I regroup. And now 512, or negative 512 I should say, is the same thing as negative 8 to the power of 3. And now if I have something in the form a to the power of 3 minus b to the power of 3, this is equal to a minus b times a squared plus ab plus b squared. So now this turns into x plus y minus 8 times x plus y squared minus 8 times x plus y plus 8 squared plus 12 times x plus y minus 8 is equal to 0. And all of this simplifies to x plus y minus 8 times x plus y squared minus 8 times x plus y plus 76 is equal to 0. So this gives me two equations. I have x plus y minus 8 is equal to 0, or x plus y squared minus 8 times x plus y plus 76 is equal to 0. So for x plus y minus 8 equals 0, I get that x plus y is equal to 8. And for here, if I take b squared minus 4ac, I get that it is less than 0. So there's no real solutions to this. So I'm left with x plus y is equal to 8. And now recall from our start here that x minus y is equal to 2. So we can use this. So if we know that x plus y equals 8 and x minus y equals 2, all I have to do is add these two. So y minus y is simply 0. X plus x is 2x. So I get 2x is equal to 8 plus 2, which is 10, meaning x is equal to 5. So I get x is equal to 5, and if x is equal to 5, I can just plug this value into one of these. So x plus y equals 8, meaning 5 plus y is equal to 8, and y is equal to 3. So my solution is 5, 3. Now, if you haven't already, please make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and also make sure to check out more videos on my channel. I have a lot more challenging videos on my channel for you guys to solve. Thank you.